This is a 22 model Grand Design Transcend Explorer number 297 QB. Got an electric tongue jack, stabilizers, good size storage compartment. This one's got a solar panel on it to keep the battery charged, battery cutoff system, gas electric hot water heater. So if you're at a campsite, you don't have to change bottles as often. You can use the electricity you're already paying for. The metal on these Grand Design trailers also is 33% heavier duty gauge steel than the metal you'll find on a competing metal skin trailer. Gives you a little bit more insulation, also a little bit more protection from the weather and hail. They're heavy duty slide out mechanisms. They use the old rack and pinion system, and none of the Schwintek with the gears on the side or the wire pulleys or anything like that. It's the old heavy duty rack and pinion slides. This is a 50 amp coach. It's got dual air conditioners, big storage in the back also, ladder for getting on the roof. It's a heavy duty walkable roof. We've got an outside refrigerator with a little 2-burner gas grill. Goodyear Endurance tires. This is a 22 model. The Goodyear tires have got a 5-year warranty from Goodyear. Electric awning. Big awning, like maybe 17-foot electric awning. Dark tinted windows. The 297 QB is a rear bunkhouse floor plan. It's got a big bunk room, and again, 50 amp dual air, so plenty of air conditioning, lots of space. You've got a little double bunk back here and 2 twins. Easily sleep 3 or 4 back here in the back. You've got some space for clothes. Some more storage, a big pantry. Grand Designs are known for maxing out the storage space. Got 2 theater chairs, recliners, with some storage in the handle. They sit across from the television and the little dinette, with even more storage underneath the dinette. Outside inside radio. This is a 12-volt refrigerator. Advantage to you is they're a lot deeper than the old gas electric refrigerators. Good amount of counter space. Got a deep sink, big enough for pots and pans. More storage, lots of storage. Space for a couple of trash cans. Space for kicking off the muddy boots, the dirty shoes. Got a skylight in the living room area. So here we are. Dual fuel for the water heater, gas and electric. I can turn them both on at the same time, get hot water super quick, and then I can leave the electric on, turn the gas off, and I can keep the water hot with the electricity I'm already paying for at the campsite. Good sized bathroom, lots of leg room on the stool. Large shower, tall shower. Queen bed. Let's get some light in here so we can see a little better. So queen bed with storage all around, above, beside, below, and then a bedroom closet and drawers. Can also store underneath the bed. We've got 110 volt and USB charging plugs right there on the side. It's a lot of space. Again, 50 amp dual layer travel trailer, so keep it cold as a meat locker in here. All the furnace works on the Grand Design are located in the cabinets throughout, so there's no ducts in the floor that are going to be dirt traps. When you see a used travel trailer with the ducting in the floor, what you find is that they are filled with dirt. There you go, for example. That little black space right there is some furnace work. There's one in here in the bedroom. There's one of the branches for the furnace that feeds down into the belly. The belly is fully enclosed, sealed in, insulated, and then heated with the same furnace that keeps you warm. Give me a call anytime. Eric Deshane at Camperland. 918-504-7727. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.